In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to create a financial board. Whether you're managing your personal finances or overseeing company budgets, Monday.com provides a versatile platform for organizing all your financial data seamlessly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. If you're already a user, simply log into your account. If you're new to Monday.com, you'll need to sign up for an account to access its full range of features. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can manage all of your projects and boards. To begin setting up your financial board, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and locate the plus sign. This is your entry point for creating new elements within Monday.com. Give it a click and you will be presented with several options. Here, you'll want to select the board option. Choosing this allows you to create a new board that will serve as the foundation for your financial tracking. Next, you'll be prompted with options to start from scratch or use a template. To streamline the setup process, click on Start with Template. Monday.com offers a variety of templates tailored to different needs, and this is where we can find an option specific to financial boards. In the template search bar, type in Financial Board. This will narrow down the vast selection of templates to those most relevant to financial tracking and management. Once you've entered the search term, you'll see several templates appear. Browse through them to find one that best suits your needs or appeals to your visual preferences. Once you've decided, click on the template of your choice. With the template window open, you'll have the opportunity to preview its structure and design. If this template aligns with your requirements, go ahead and click Use Template. This choice will load the recommended settings and structures onto your new board. And there you have it. Your financial board is all set up and ready to be customized further according to the specific details of your financial management tasks. You can now add tasks, set deadlines, and input data to keep all your financial information organized in one accessible location. Creating a financial board on Monday.com is as simple as that. This setup not only saves you time, but also enhances your ability to manage finances efficiently, all while ensuring you maintain a clear overview of your financial data. As you grow more familiar with the platform, you can fine-tune your board to further suit your managerial style. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing.